This sounds just disgusting.
Abby, this is what I do for a living. I'm sorry I didn't tell you Pawaka where.
For how long have you been doing this?
Long enough.
Promise you'll never leave me.
I promise I'll never leave you, Maria.
Give me your hand. It shall be the simple of our promises.
If you marry a girl who is not a virgin, you have opened bad days for you and your siblings.
This is not the first time it happened. If it's about the money, you could have given the money what they wanted.